In this video, 10 animals that actually laugh. And yes, a few are judging you. Like and subscribe or a hyena will show up outside your house laughing at your life choices. 1. Sea lions. Sea lions chuckle during roughhousing and play. It's goofy, guttural, and very uncle at the barbecue after 3 beers. They're basically the stand-up comics of the beach. 2. Kookaburra. This Australian bird literally sounds like a sitcom laugh track from the 90s. 3. Kia parrot. Kia have a special play call that's contagious. One bird cackles and suddenly the whole squad turns into parkour goblins. 4. Chimpanzees. Chimps pant giggle during tickle fights and chase games, which is adorable until you remember they can bench press your soul. 5. Hyenas. Hyenas don't giggle because your joke slaps. They giggle when they're stressed, excited, or beefing over snacks. It's basically nature's chaotic group chat in audio form. 6. Gorillas. Gorillas rumble chuckle when playing or getting gently tickled. Yes, that's a real thing, and no, do not try this at home. 7. Rats. Rats emit ultrasonic laughter when tickled. They even chase the tickle hand for more. To us, it's inaudible without equipment. 8. Dogs. Dogs have a play pant that functions like a laugh. Breathy, happy, pure chaos. 9. Foxes. Foxes make a gremlin-level cackle called gecker when playing, flirting, or drama-ing. And number 10. Dolphins. Dolphins produce excited burst pulses and squeaks during pranks and play, which scientists read as laughter-ish. So yeah, laughter isn't just a human thing. Smash like and subscribe to Animal Showts, because nature is funny as hell, on purpose.